I was challenged to make an inflatable cartoon dog bone. In this video, I will show the simple procedure I use to do just that. I start with the largest piece of scrap white vinyl I have, and spread a piece of non-stick baking paper over it. I scrounge around for something large and circular, and find the base of one of my lamps. I use the base to draw 4 circles as I show. I then grab a roll of duct tape to use as a smaller circular stencil. I draw small arcs to connect the pair of circles I just drew. I grab my yardstick and use it to draw 2 horizontal lines. Using the duct tape roll again, I draw more curves to transition between the circles and the lines. Hopefully the general idea is now clear. With my profile drawn, I use a roller knife to cut it out, making a template. Note that I have removed the piece of scrap vinyl. I don't want to cut it yet. I don't bother to follow the pencil line exactly, partly because I can't seem to figure out how to use a roller knife, and partly because it won't matter. Bringing back the scrap vinyl, I place my cut template on top. After making sure there is enough room all the way around the template, I begin to apply vinyl cement. I must act very fast, as HH66 vinyl cement only stays tacky for about 2 to 5 minutes. I paint the entire perimeter of my template, using it as a mask for the glue. This stuff is quite noxious, so I am wearing the appropriate respirator and have the room ventilated. With all the glue applied, I bring in a second large sheet of scrap and lay it evenly over the other sheet with the template still in place. I massage it down, making sure the new sheet is pressed firmly into the still tacky glue. Next, I use a scalpel to cut about a 1/4 inch offset from the edge of the template. I am trying to leave a 1/4 inch strip of bonded vinyl beyond the template. If you are familiar with pinch-seamed inflatables, this would be the frill. While the template is barely visible through the white vinyl, I mostly follow the vinyl that is distorted by the glue. If I were to do this again, I wouldn't bother cutting right now, as I end up trimming again later. Now, this is just 2 pieces of vinyl glued together, and not yet an inflatable. It needs a valve. Tracing a 1/4, I make a circle. I cut out the circle. With the circle open, I pull out the template. Using a syringe of vinyl cement, I glue in a scrap valve. Once the cement bonding the valve has set, I inflate the bone. I go back with a pair of scissors and trim the frill down some more, as I am not happy with how large it is. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, leave any tips or suggestions in the comments below. Consider supporting my channel by purchasing a t-shirt from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.